Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we're gonna try to install our backend on the VPS Linux server. Our app is already there, as you can see here. In the last video we installed the React file onto the Linux server. It runs fine, except it doesn't have any articles. It doesn't have any articles because there is no backend yet. The backend is still on my computer right here. So let's go. I create already block backend jar. That is easy task. Where is it? You just do the Maven okay, you use this clean package, clean mdn clean package, and it creates a jar file. I don't want to click one more time because it will recreate the same file. Jar file, basically it's a collection of all your files that you have for this project. It has probably hundreds of files, so it makes one file, jar file, and that jar file will have to send to the server. I want to put it in opt directory on my server. The problem is that the opt directory is kind of high security. You cannot do it directly from outside. So so what I'll do, I'll put the file on the server, and then from the inside the server I'll just move it to this opt directory. It's kind of workaround. Hopefully it will work. I have a feeling that it will not work. Nothing works in this life. Nothing is easy anymore. In childhood everything is easy. In adulthood everything is hard. So first of all, let's do this. So we're gonna put this file into this directory right here. Okay. Two, 3%. Why it's so slow? 4%, 5%. Oh my goodness. How big is the file? Can I see how big is the file? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Let's see. 18%. Wow. Let's go and see my projects. This is Java, VPN head, API, target, 51 megabytes. So it's not bad. It's not too big. Maybe I should close down my... It's off. Huh, my VPN is off. What's my speed? Probably have very slow internet today. It's very hot day here today. No, it's not bad. It's 20 megabytes. I guess it's just a bad luck. computers are magical things. You never know how it works, when it works, why it works, when it does not work, and when it works. They don't follow logic. Maybe I'm using something else somewhere else. Memory 61. Well, that's a video recording. Nope. No, everything is normal. Okay, so while it's writing to the server, let me see what else can we do here. So I can go into my server. This is my server. It's a Linux. I will need to use this command here. Sudo is a super user, gives me power to do many things that regular user cannot do it. And then move from this directory, move this file to the opt directory. So this is ready, and this is almost ready. So still 42 seconds left. Well, this video will be unintentionally long. 86, 87, very good. Okay, then we'll run this. And then we're gonna try running it. Will be more adventures today. Okay, 99, 100. 100. Yes, okay, we're done. Now let's try running this. Password. Okay. Let's see if the file exists there. Yes, so the file is right here. Okay. First thing is accomplished. Well, second thing, we compiled into jar file, and then we put jar file on the server, and then from the server we put in that special secret folder called opt folder. Now let's try running this file. Let's put blog backend. So I get process ID. I'm not sure if it's running now. Let me see if it's running. Yep, it's running. What are you doing? Okay, looks like it's running. Yes, so that means it's running. The process ID is this number with 97 at the end. I'm wondering now if I used all the correct numbers. Maybe I don't need to do anything else, and it will connect to MySQL database. vpnhead.com. Nope, articles are not running. Okay. Okay, so at least we have, we installed the backend onto the server, and at least it's running and it has process ID. And the third video will be how to connect everything to MySQL database, because right now I don't think I'll be able to do in a few minutes here. Yeah, we'll do the third video, how to connect to MySQL database. Thank you and have a good day.